You see how awkward children are with their bodies. You see how awkward they are with their bodies. Right, left, again. Not understanding which is right, which is wrong. And again looking at the face, not observing. Do you know, formal training in dance and music enhances your capacity to learn your formal studies. That was the subject of the lecture that we had at my place. Relevance of classical art forms, dance and music, to education. How you can, if you can use the methods, age-old, centuries-old methods of teaching dance and music to pupils, which have been there in our country for the last at least 900 years. And how those methods are still followed, and how you start with a raw product. At the end of 7 or 8 years of training, you have a performer, whether it is music or whether it is dance. While the same age, formal education you start in the school, at the age of 5 or 6, the child starts going to school. At the age, after 7 years of training, is he proficient in maths or science or history or this thing? Tell me, what is the proficiency level? Because the methods of teaching are so wrong. And children, those methods are not going to change. A teacher-centric, God knows, without any application of psychology. That's the same way teachers teach, same way mothers teach their children. Without applying any kind of a mind to it, is the child going to learn this way? Okay? So, if, this gentleman was saying, if we apply the same methods of teaching to the formal school learning, the same methods that we are taught for music and dance, classical arts, the children will learn much better. At the end of 7, 8 years of music training, you have a singer or a performer. At the age of, after 7 or 8 years of, whether it is Bharatanatyam or Kathak or whatever it is, of training, you have a dancer in front of you who can perform. Can I say that at the age of 7 or 8 years of training, Ritik is going to answer me, being able to perform in either English or maths or science? Can you be sure about that? I am talking about normal children. Right from left, right side, direct. There are intellectual activities connected with the motor activities. Laterality. It's, you know, this is one of the signs of, you know, intelligence developing, right and left, telling the right from the left. Okay? Giving directions, turn right, turn left, things like that, knowing which hand to use. Okay? So, but that left and right has to be used. That language has to be used all the time. And this is extremely good. Particularly, I mean, you may take it down or not take it down, but understand it. In Bharatanatyam, whatever you are, see, our brain has 2 hemispheres. Okay? Right and the left. If both the hemispheres are allowed to develop equally, you have a better sort of balanced kind of a brain power or whatever that thinking is. Now, how do we, most of us right-handed people, do things more the right manner? And mind you, the left hemisphere controls the right side, and the right hemisphere controls the left side. Right? It is crossed like this. We have to develop both. You must have read that this particular yoga is supposed to develop both the hemispheres. Right? Now, dance does that because what you do on the right side, exactly the same thing you do on the left side. Both, when I am doing an action on the right side, my left hemisphere is involved in that. When I am doing the same action on the left side, my right hemisphere is also working. Otherwise, as far as only your left side of the right-handed people, only the left side is working, overworking, and not enough for the right hemisphere side. So this helps you. It helps both the hemispheres to develop. Classical dancing, any of them, Same with Kathak. The same movement that you do on the right side, you do on the left side. Children get used to this right left, and when the children start learning, this is what they are doing now. This is what the teacher is correcting right from the beginning. This is an advantage which they will use in their studies. It helps. Playing lots of games and things helps you to do studies better. Seema, you will be surprised.